This is usually how Arvind Kejriwal's day begins. From an income tax officer to an RTI activist and Anna Hazare's aide, Arvind Kejriwal has now turned politician. But who is he? Just a rank outsider giving the powerful sleepless nights, or somebody seeking publicity for his own political ambitions? Some call him a revolutionary, some others call him an anarchist. Who is Arvind Kejriwal? Let's find out.
Kejriwal is like a bull in a china shop.
Third-rate people are doing third-rate things.
मेंटल हो जाएगा, पागल हो जाएगा, ये पगला गया है, सिठिया गया है।
कल का हिंदुस्तान हमारे हाथ में होगा, केजरीवाल के हाथ में नहीं होगा।
There are a lot of people who are standing up and saying, you'll be decimated in election. Who is Arvind Kejriwal? Who is Arvind Kejriwal?
आम आदमी। आप राम राम कहोगे तो मरा मरा हो जाता है, मरा मरा करोगे तो राम राम हो जाता है।
बहुत बढ़िया मैंने सुना उस बारे में।
Donning the Aam Aadmi cap, Arvind Kejriwal is ready for yet another lights, camera, action-packed day.
क्या जवाब आया है सबसे पहले ये जानते हैं।
And on everyone's mind, one question.
Who will activist turned politician Arvind Kejriwal target today?
Another week, another Kejriwal expose. His target this time, the Ambani brothers, HSBC banks, a Congress MP he claimed is close to Rahul Gandhi, and even the President Pranab Mukherjee. The issue? Black money allegedly stashed in Swiss banks.
मजे की बात ये, इन 700 लोगों में से 100-125 लोगों के यहाँ इनकम टैक्स की रेड हुई। बस छोटे लोगों की। अंबानी जी के यहाँ रेड क्यों नहीं हुई? मुकेश अंबानी जी के यहाँ रेड क्यों नहीं हुई? अनिल अंबानी जी के यहाँ रेड क्यों नहीं हुई? नरेश गोयल जी के यहाँ रेड क्यों नहीं हुई?
While the media crews line up for an interview, we spend some time at his home.
सारी पब्लिक जो है परेशान है, तो भगवान ने इनको मसीहा बना के भेज रखा है।
अब किसी को तो पॉलिटिक्स में घुसना ही था।
God-fearing parents, a supportive wife and 2 children. Arvind's home resembles that of any other Aam Aadmis in India. From a small town in Haryana, Hisar, Arvind says the most critical period of his life was as a student at IIT Kharagpur. His parents say Arvind was like any other child. He went to IIT with the same dreams as others. His first job was with Tata Steel, which he soon left, and joined the Indian Revenue Services after qualifying through the Civil Services examination. Through his career as an IRS officer, Arvind tried to contribute to social welfare by volunteering with the Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata and the Ramakrishna Mission in northeast of India. But it was his work on the Right to Information Act that earned him the Magsaysay Award and a place in the high-profile Activist Club of India.
Welcome here, Arvind Kejriwal, the force and energy behind Public Cause Research Foundation. Arvind, could I please welcome you here?
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. RTI is a reality.
Delhi has always been home to peaceful protests for people from across the country. Farmers, the landless, workers from the unorganized sector, regions demanding statehood and states demanding nationhood have gathered in the national capital to draw attention to their specific cause. But over the last year and a half, a new kind of agitation has hijacked media space like never before. The architect of this show, Arvind Kejriwal.
ये 14 मंत्रियों के खिलाफ FIR दर्ज होगी और इनके खिलाफ तहकीकात चालू होगी।
It all started with a unique yet humble appeal.
लोकशाही है। लोकपाल बिल का ड्राफ्ट बनाते समय आधे लोग समाज से ले लो, आधे लोग सरकार के ले लो। A 74-year-old activist from Maharashtra, Anna Hazare, had announced a fast unto death until the government agreed to include civil society in drafting the anti-corruption Lokpal bill. Under pressure over 2G and the Commonwealth scam,
The last thing the government needed was an old man dying for an issue the common man had battled for years. Anna's fast yielded results. He became the face of the movement. But the real victory turned out to be Arvind's, the brain behind the anti-corruption agitation. Passionate speeches, patriotic songs and the setting, Anna positioned against the backdrop of the Mahatma, were all constructed by Arvind and his team of young media-savvy volunteers. Initially, his protest saw a little over 100 people, but overnight the numbers quadrupled, even though it was unclear if the media rush had caused this explosion of numbers or it was due to the resonance the protests evoked. Anna's consequent fasting episodes became a vent for thousands who felt cheated by the system, burdened by corruption and just unhappy in life.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.